A plant-based stimulant, kratom, could soon be banned in Iowa. An Iowa House committee passed a bill banning natural and synthetic kratom last month, and a Senate committee followed suit yesterday. WHO 13's Adriana Torres joins us now live with more from the Capitol. And kratom is illegal in 7 states. Iowa could become the 8th.
Yeah, well, one of those states is a neighboring state, Wisconsin, and now some lawmakers are trying to do the same here in Iowa. So the next step would be full voting in the House and then the Senate. But yeah, here in the state, it's unregulated, which means anyone could walk into a gas station, a tobacco store, even online and buy kratom. Some people saying it's a natural pain remedy. Others are saying it could be dangerous.
With kratom, we see people often self-medicating for substance abuse issues or mental health issues. They're using it for its physiologic properties to try to regulate those conditions on their own.
That's Dr. Nick Kleesner, who's an emergency physician at Unity Point and represents the Iowa Medical Society. And he has seen patients who have used kratom.
Kratom acts in the same way that we see a lot of opioid drugs act. It also acts in the same way that a lot of other different types of substances act. The number of receptors and chemicals that are baked into this leaf are dozens.
According to the Iowa Poison Control Center, calls relating to kratom have gone up from 24 cases in both 2023 and 24 to 53 cases in 2025. They also say 63% of those who use kratom are men.
So you will definitely see substances like this marketed as all natural or plant-based, and I think there's a common misconception that just because something is, quote, natural or plant-based means it's therefore safer or better.
Iowa's medical examiner reports since 2015, the state has had 92 cases where midragenine, the primary compound in the kratom plant, contributed to a cause of death. Meanwhile, others support kratom, like Sheldon Bradshaw, who represents the Scientific Association for Botanical Education and Research.
Kratom has a long history of use for centuries in Southeast Asia and is used by approximately 20 million Americans for a variety of reasons, including relief from minor aches and pains associated with physical activity, and also for energy and relief from stress.
And one thing that for the people I talk to, they both seem to agree on is that if there was not a complete ban, at least have some regulations like restrictions on age, labeling on the product, and more testing as well. Andy.
All right, Adriana, some other states working on regulations of kratom as well.